Hello dear customer, now we are inspecting our latest package machine. As the name suggests, this machine is designed to enable us to pack our products automatically and thereby help our customer save their labor cost and improve work efficiency. Let's introduce the main part of this machine, and this is the PLC. It is Xinjie brand, and this is the control button. Okay, start button, and temperature control button, and this is the main button to control this machine. Okay, beside this part also have the film. So this film is to make the packing bag. Okay, and this is the part for making the bag, and this is the cutter to cut the bag, and this is the trail. The gray part is the trail, and this is the conveyor belt. Its function is to transport the product from here and come out. The part to adjust the speed of this conveyor belt. So you can see if you want the speed of this conveyor belt become fast, you can turn right this button. Okay, like this. And also, if you want to lower the speed of this conveyor belt, you can also adjust this button. So this is the function of this part. The first step is to turn this button like this, and then this machine will start. Okay, so you can see, and this is the temperature control panel. So after the temperature of this machine become high, and then we can press the start button, and we can also press the start button of the PLC. The both can be okay. So after the temperature of this machine become higher and higher, we should press the start button, put our products into this part. Okay, like this. We should press the green button, and then the cutter will cut the film. And the neighboring, you can see the specific parameter of this machine. For example, the model, the size, the voltage, and the phase, and the weight, and also the measure. Okay, so about the program control panel, as you can see, this language is Chinese language, and we also can tell our technician to translate it in your country language, and that is no problem, and then we'll make it clearly to you.